Backyardigans. Cops and robots. A Lift the Flap story. Greetings, said Tasha. We are robots. I am T900. And I am the Pablonator, Pablo announced. We are bad bots because our robot switches are set to bad. We are going to the robot factory to reprogram all the robots so they will be bad bots, T900 explained. Beep, bop, boop. Meanwhile, Officer Uniqua and Sergeant Tyrone patrolled the galaxy. Look, it's the Bombmobile, Sergeant Tyrone cried. Those bad bots are headed for the robot factory. We can't let that happen, said Officer Uniqua. Attention, bad bots! Pull over to the side of the galaxy. That request does not compute, T900 said as she stepped on the gas and sped off into space. We must catch them, Sergeant Tyrone ordered. The space police took off after the bad bots. They dodged asteroids and jumped over the moon, but even at warp speed, they remembered to stop for traffic lights. At last, the bad bots arrived at the robot factory. We made it, said T900. Soon all the robots in the universe will be bad. Evil achieved, the Pablonator responded. The bad bots opened the doors and rushed inside. Officer Uniqua and Sergeant Tyrone followed the bad bots into the factory. Freeze, bad bots, shouted Sergeant Tyrone. You're under arrest. But it was too late. The bad bots had already begun to flip the robot switches from good to bad. You cannot stop us, T900 cackled. Oh, yes, we can, cried Officer Uniqua. She flipped Pablo's switch from bad to good. Pablonator, no, T900 cried. Activate evil. That request does not compute, Pablo replied. Tyrone quickly flipped Tasha's switch. She squeaked, beeped, and broke into a wide smile. I feel good, said Tasha. Nice work, Sarge, said Officer Uniqua. The universe is saved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And check out my Patreon page. And for more of the Backyardigans stories, check out my Backyardigans playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.